CPMC India. We move what moves you.
Everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
I can't hear it. It's 11:30 only, so we should have a lot of energy. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. So, namaste everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Alam, Mr. Jeet Sangram, and the entire team of CPMC India who has invited me as a chief guest for the event. All right. I just want to ask one question. Have you come over here to invest your time or to spend your time? Invest your time, right? So that means you are at the right place. All right. So CPMC India, I was just going through the tagline of the company, we move what moves you. What I believe is, so I have given it, you move what moves us. So that is CPMC India. So one of my student along with the colleague has come to invite me in the office. So I was just telling him that you are in such a business which is always a recession free. So now we are in the bad time, COVID time is going on. So people are moving out of Bangalore. So you are helping them to moving out of Bangalore. And once the time will be good, people will be moving inside the Bangalore. So you'll be helping them. So it's always a recession free business. Yeah, so I thought 2020 would be the year I get whatever I want. Now I know 2020 is the year I appreciate everything I have. So this is what I feel about 2020. And I always appreciate this year for all the entrepreneurs as well as the employees over here. Why? Because this is the time, and I believe I am an entrepreneur. I am doing the business from 2011 onwards. But I have never got 6 months of the time to think about the business, to strategize the things. But right now we have got ample time to strategize our businesses and to think about next 10 years down the line. So guys, please use this time in a proper way. And I congratulate the entire team of CPMC who were in B2B, business to business, and now they have entered into B2C. But personally, what I believe, what CPMC is doing it, the moment I entered inside the campus of CPMC, and I really felt it, there is no B2B, there is no B2C, there is only H to H, and we call it as human to human. And I could feel that connect. And I could feel that connect from CPMC team. And the moment I met Jeet, the way they have, invited the guests, the way they have, greeted the guests, this is something unique which I don't see in most of the corporate. So now I would like to, so I started my journey in 2011. I have studied in Rajasthan from a small school and small colleges. I am a Hindi medium student. पूरी ज़िंदगी मैंने हिंदी मीडियम में पढ़ाई की है, and we don't have any family background where they have invested the money in our businesses. So first time, and again I'm talking about recession, I did my MBA in 2007 and that was my first English medium education. So in 2009 when I graduated, that time it was the biggest recession in the country and people were running out of Bangalore. So I got a job of, sir, you met Miss Uzma Naeem. So she was my boss in Frankfield. And Dr. Aparna Rao, she was also my boss once upon a time. Yeah, so today they are working as a director in my organization. So 2009 was the biggest recession in the country. So I'm just telling a small story, I think it can help you in this recession time. And 6 months I worked with a company called Frankfurt Institute of Air Hostess Training with the salary of 9,500 rupees. And then I moved myself in a startup college called Excel Business Academy with a salary of about 18,500 rupees. So then I thought this is not the right time to work for any company since it is a recession time, so I'm not going to get what exactly I'm looking for. So then I founded a company called Pathfinder. So Pathfinder was in education space even as well as in the corporate training space. So we started with 2 employees initially. And I always call it as a founding team. So Mr. Sandeep Bansali was the part of the team. And today Mr. Sandeep Bansali is working as a director in our group. And we have 6 directors who takes care of our entire group. And today we have a team of about 125 people working in different spaces. Okay. Recession time, this is always the best time to start anything. Why? Because the people who start, I believe that we don't have anything to lose. If we don't have anything to lose, so we should not have fear. I always say inhale faith and exhale fear, and which I do at least 15 to 20 times in a day. And I believe in, I call it as me time, lead time and we time. So me time is my own time, and I really work very hard to implement the same in my organization. When I say me time, this is the part of my mobile screen. Me time means that I invest that time only with myself, not even with my wife and my child. So me time 6 to 11 is me time, 11 to 6 is Lee time. Lee time is learning and earning time. And evening is V time. V time is family and the social time. That is again 6 to 11. 6 to 11, 11 to 6 and 6 to 11. Yeah. So I feel like if we follow that, I keep myself, see the COVID time again has taught us a lot of things. I have put myself in spirituality where I spend at least half an hour in meditation and the laughter yoga. At the end of the session, we'll do it for 5 minutes. And I believe that 5 minutes will change your life. Yeah, because we need a lot of reasons to laugh, right? And I call it as a subjective laugh, right? See, if I have to make you laugh, that means I have to crack a joke, right? So I call it as a subjective laugh. So we should not have any reason to laugh. We should not, we are young chaps. Our entire team is, Rao sir जो यहाँ पे है ये सबसे ज़्यादा ओल्ड है हमारी टीम में. So हमारी टीम में सारे young chaps हैं. तो राव सर भी हमारे साथ एकदम young chap की तरह, he is working with us as a placement head. And again, I would like to thank Mr. Jeet and Alan sir for having our kids over here. And I'm sure, and one more, the suggestion to these guys. In today's world, people want to associate with the companies which has 1,000 employees or 5,000 or 10,000 employees. Absolutely no use. The reason is, I believe Sashidhar is a student who is from digital marketing background. But I'm sure, sir, you'll be taking a lot of work from him. Like in HR, in marketing, in finance, in all the aspects. This is what you get it in the company like CPMC. And this is going to fetch a great results in the future. Because I myself has worked with the startup. Yeah. So, and again, what I always say is, our youth are not useless. They are always useless. We don't use them. And then what we say? Most of the parents will say, youth are useless. We don't use them. So they are actually useless. So please use them. 24/7 unse circus karao. So they will definitely perform well. And yes, take risk. Please take risk in your life, because I call it as risk is rise in the sky. And this is the first step towards getting into any kind of job responsibility or getting into business. Please don't have egos. We have a lot of ego. I call it as E for eliminating, G for good, O for opportunities. So eliminating good opportunities, whether it is a relationship, whether it is a business, whether it is a employment or an employee, whatever it is. And okay, how many of us sitting over here believe in luck? What is luck? Bhagya. How many of us believe in luck? Maybe most of us, we believe in luck. But what I believe is luck does not exist. It does not exist. I always call it as L for learning, U for under, C for correct, K for knowledge. If you learn under correct knowledge, that means you are lucky. If you don't get a chief mentor like Mr. Sangram, you are not lucky enough. Luck does not exist. So we have to always look into the correct people and the correct knowledge. So that is the most important aspect. And in the organization, in today's world, this message is for the youth. we always says, I have put lot of efforts. Efforts doesn't count. The moment we take you out due to XYZ reason and you says, I have put lot of effort in the organization. I have given my 100% in the organization. We don't need your 100%. The reason is, end of the day, performance is reality. If you perform, then only you can sustain in today's competitive world. Otherwise you can't. Otherwise you can't. And one important message to everyone I would like to give, please have a writing habit. I have one diary, I forgot to bring it. I call it as COVID diary. I have come up with a diary where I am writing each and everything. So please have a writing habit in the diary, because we call it as जिंदगी के साथ भी और जिंदगी के बाद भी, हमारे मरने के बाद भी काम आती है. The biggest example is Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput. So we know Sushant, who is Sushant, because of his diary. Otherwise we were not knowing who is Sushant. Have a habit of writing. I write each and everything. I'll go from here, I'll write at least half an hour about this particular meeting. So this is something which what we earn on a day-to-day basis. That is actually an asset. That is actually an asset. And we says that people are asset to the company. Sir, people are not an asset. People are liability to the company. Good people are asset to the company. Good people are an asset to the company. Otherwise, they become a liability to any company. Yeah, so this is what, and yes, I would like to suggest one particular point where we believe in and we work in that particular way. We have four parameters in our organization. So the owners, the chairman of the organization, we call it as an idea man who generates an idea. Generally what happens is owners will work in every aspect. They should not. So we should generate an idea. The next is the process man. So we call it as CEO, chief mentor of the organization. So they should create the process for the organization. And after the process man, we have the people man who are interacting with the people. We call it as VPs, we call it as managerial position people. And the last is action man, the most important people who takes a final action. So this is how we run an organization, and I believe that if in that particular process, if we run the organization, we are going to fetch a great results. And I always says, please do not discuss people. In most of the organization, people discuss people. I always says, those are disgusting people. We should always discuss the process. We should always discuss the process, whether we are at home, whether we are in the organization or any space of our life. Right? So please take care of this particular thing. I conduct one program called EAE. It is everything about entrepreneurship. So I think most of you would have heard about Mr. Vivek Bindra. So he's a world-class speaker who has about 3 crores follower right now. So you can see his videos. So I am the part of his team in the program called EAE, Everything About Entrepreneur, where I have trained about 150 entrepreneurs who are achievers also and who have started their own businesses in the business space. And 3 things I would like to give a message. Never say I am busy, because most of the people, even I am taking care of my house, I am taking care of my office, or I am a student, I always have a habit of telling I am busy. Always say I am easy. I am available. Never say I am tired. The moment you get inside the house, you will say I am tired, don't give me anything. Don't give me any work. So then what happens is, your wife comes, anybody else comes, then she'll say, he is tired, please don't disturb him. You know, I'll become more tired. So I always says, I have fire. Never say I am tired. I always have fire. Don't say nothing is possible. Everything is possible in this world. If the people like us who have studied from Hindi medium school and today we are, we believe in God. I says G for generator, O for operator, D for destroyer. So I believe in God. I spend at least 1.5 hour dedicated for God. And who is God? My students are my God. My teammates are, because they are the generator, they are the operator, they are the destroyer. right? So no need to go to the temple. You are always surrounded with the God. Yeah. So my teammates are my God. If you will enter in my office, you will see in my chamber where I have written everywhere. Yeah. You will see it in my mobile screen also. So I always carry my schedule with me. So this is something which I just wanted to convey all of you, and I believe that we should always shout out, I can, I will, I must. Can you please do it with me?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
I can, I will, and I must. Can you please stand up for 2 minutes? Most of us may not be knowing about it. We always need a reason. I always say, please do not discuss people. In most of the organization, people discuss people. I always say those are disgusting people. We should always discuss the process. We should always discuss the process, whether we are at home, whether we are in the organization, or any space of our life. Right? So please take care of this particular thing. I conduct one program called EAE. It is everything about entrepreneurship. So I think most of you would have heard about Mr. Vivek Nindra. So he's a world-class speaker who has about 3 crores followers right now. So you can see his videos. So I am the part of his team in the program called EAE, Everything About Entrepreneur, where I have trained about 150 entrepreneurs who are achievers also, who have started their own businesses in the business space. And 3 things I would like to give a message. Never say I am busy. Because most of the people, even I am taking care of my house, I am taking care of my office, or I am a student. I always have a habit of telling I am busy because they are the generator, they are the operator, they are the destroyer. Right? So no need to go to the temple. You are always surrounded with the God. Yeah? So my teammates are my God. If you will enter in my office, you will see in my chamber where I have written everywhere. Full day hasta hai. Full day he keeps laughing. And you know what is the benefit of that? You will be surprised to know. If we laugh for 10 minutes in a day, continuously without reason, it is equals to 45 minutes of your cardio exercise in the gym. And 25 minutes of cycling in the gym, which most of us doesn't know about it. And it really releases your stress. Can you do it with me? Can you do it with me? Yeah? So, okay. We'll do it with a clap. We'll start it with a clap. Ha, 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 ha. Can we shake hands? Laugh at each other. Ha, 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 ha. Just namaste. We should find out the reason to laugh. Always laugh. Please don't find out the reasons to laugh. Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me, Jeet sir. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So I always carry these papers because what I believe, practice before you teach.
CPMC India. We move what moves you.